I will tell you how to create a HTML code. To create a HTML document, you will use Notepad. So how you will open a Notepad? Firstly click on Start button, then All Programs, then Accessories, then Notepad. This is the way how to open a Notepad. So for creating a HTML code, firstly start with opening bracket, then HTML, then closing bracket, then write down head, then title, then write down title like my first program. Heading title is my first program. Then title close with slash like this. Then head close. Then body close. Then HTML close. This is the way how to create a HTML code. After, click on File tab, then click on Save button. Where you want to save this file, choose the location. I want to save my HTML document on desktop. Write down the file name like I have written here HTML1, and for saving the HTML code we will use the extension .html or .htm. We will write any extension, then click on Save button. Next is viewing an HTML document. To view the recently created web page, use Google Chrome. Unlike other browsers like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, we can open in any web browser our HTML code. Like I have saved one HTML code with the HTML1 page in Internet Explorer. Look here, this is our output. Our title is my first program. Clear? Now I will tell you about tags, elements and attributes. Firstly I will open the source code that I have written. So first is tags. Tags are the building blocks of a web page. They contain elements that define how the information on a web page is formed or displayed. These tags are not case sensitive. For example, tag name and capital tag name will have the same effect. If I will write here capital in HTML, capital in HTML or small in HTML, so both are the same effect. Clear? The HTML tags or commands are inserted before and after the text. Each tag giving a special instruction begin with a less than and end with a greater than sign. Less than and end with a greater than sign. For example, I will write here one tag starting for less than sign, then p tag, then closing tag. P tag is used for paragraph. If you want to write in HTML code paragraph, so you will use a p tag. Next is elements. An HTML elements consist of on tag and the content and an off tag. Okay, so container element includes both on and off tag are called container element. Means this is our container element. Okay, in which on tag also there and off tag also there. On tag and off tag with in which slash also come, that means off tag. Okay, Next is empty element. Empty element contains only on tag, they do not have off tag. Okay, empty element में हमारा सिर्फ on tag होता है. Like for example BR tag for break. If you want to give the break between the lines, so we will use the break tag. Okay, so this is the way how to write a HTML code. HTML document structure. The general structure of HTML document has two sections, head tag and body tag. Two sections are there in HTML section. One is head and one is body tag. Clear? So head section. What is head section? The head section provides general information about the document like title, define a title for the page on the browser. And body section, what is body section contain? Body section contain the text that gets displayed on the web page along with the other tags and attributes. Okay, so I will write one example of HTML code. So my title is my first program. After I will include here, after head complete, I will include the body section. In body section I will add here like I read in class 8th. Okay, after close the body section HTML. Okay, now I will run this program. So firstly I will save this project. This project is saved with HTML1. Now I will run this program. Now look here, my title is my first program and I have written in body section I read in class 8. This is the way how to write the HTML code in Notepad.